In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update payment info for Skool group subscription. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your membership keeps running smoothly. Have your Skool login details handy, along with the new card you want to use. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Skool. In the results, choose the official Skool website. Look for the familiar Skool branding and a secure connection in the address bar to make sure you're on the right page and not a lookalike. Once you're on the site, log into your account. If you're already signed in, you can continue. If prompted, complete any two-step verification. If you've forgotten your password, use the standard recovery option shown on the login screen. Keep in mind, never share your login details with anyone. After you've signed in, head to your community. This is the group where your subscription lives. If you belong to multiple communities, select the one tied to the subscription you want to update. You'll typically find your communities listed on the main dashboard or in the sidebar. Inside the community, look for the settings area. It's often represented by a gear icon or labeled clearly as Settings. Make sure you're opening the community's settings, not just your personal profile settings, so the billing section you see is the one connected to that group. Within Settings, navigate to Billing. This is where you'll see your current plan details, renewal date, and payment information. Take a quick moment to confirm you're viewing the correct subscription, especially if your account has more than one active membership. Next, click the Update Payment Method link. Depending on your interface, it may say Update Card or something similar. This will open a secure form where you can enter your new details. Carefully provide your new credit card information, including the card number, expiration date, security code, and any required billing address fields. Double-check everything for accuracy before saving. When you're confident it's correct, click Save or Update to confirm the change. Wait for the confirmation message so you know the update went through. That's it. Your payment method is now updated for your Skool group subscription. As a heads up, this new card will be charged automatically starting with your next billing cycle. If anything looks off, refresh the page to verify the change, and if you still don't see the update, try signing out and back in, or contact Skool support for help. Keeping your card current ensures uninterrupted access to your community and its resources.